Welcome friends. In our previous tutorial, we have seen how to download WAMP server and Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. If you are running on Windows XP lower than Service Pack 2, you may want to download Windows Installer 3.1, which you can find out from Google. I don't have that, so let me install that first. It may ask for the permission to run because the file is downloaded from the internet. Click on Run, Next, Agree, Next. The setup is as easy as any other setup. Click on Do Not Restart Now and Finish. Now the C++ redistributable. Run this and again it will ask for the permission. Click on Run. Check this button. Click on Install. It will take some time to install Microsoft Visual C++ 2010 redistributable. Now it is successfully installed. Click on Finish. Now click on WAMP Server 2.2. Again it will ask for the security permission and click Run. As you can see here, all the softwares which will be installed and configured for us is listed here: Apache, MySQL, PHP, along with that PHPMyAdmin, SQL Buddy and Xdebug. Click on Next. Select I accept the agreement. You can go through this agreement if you want to, but for your information it is GNU General Public License version 2. Click on Next. Now from here you can select the path where you want to install the WAMP server. I will let it be and click on Next. If you want to create desktop icon and quick launch icon, you can select these options, but I don't want any of them, so just Next. And finally click on Install. It will also take some time to install in your computer. Now it asks for the default browser. It has automatically detected Firefox and asking for making that the default browser with WAMP 2. We will click on Yes. If you want to specify your SMTP and email, you can do that. I'll just click Next. Launch WAMP Server 2 now. Click on Finish. As you can see here, the WAMP server is running. From the next tutorial, we will explore the WAMP server. Thank you.